to?
Oh.
Speaking, what I supposed to say?
I'm finna tell you now. Turn around and face this way.
Oh,
well,
gosh,
watch this
man.
though.
I don't want to be on the well.
Well,
You on your mother's well.
well.
Let me put the purse down. Man.
Yeah, I got a couple of questions to ask you.
Oh, Lord. Wait, tell me the questions first.
DeVera, when we was in the restaurant yesterday,
Oh, God.
and your mother told you that she's a professional artist. Why did you laugh?
Oh, God. Look, take that off.
Take it off. That's the answer. That's the
Say
response.
cut.
Cut.
Tell him why you asked.
Tell him.
Because it's funny.
Oh.
And then DeVera,
Oh.
Oh, God.
check out DeVera.
Shabo, bo, bo.
Check it out.
Shabo, bo, bo.
And then when y'all went to the car
Shabo.
to hear the beat,
What
Shabo,
happened to
bo, bo.
your car?
Oh,
I hit a pole. Listen.
Shabo, bo. Shabo, bo, bo.
Yeah, you know my eyes. Listen.
What happened to the car?
I hit a pole.
Oh.
Yeah,
I'm telling you, man.
crisis. Listen.
Oh, what?
Crisis. Listen.
What is it?
So when you heard the
Don't
music,
put me on the web.
tell the world how you like your mother's CD. Tell us what the
It
music.
sounds very good. Very good.
Is it inspiration?
Yes, it is. And
What
the
did it
beat
do?
was nice.
And the beat was nice. So where do you think this should go?
What do you mean?
You think it should go to the nation?
Yeah. It's good to go. Look, Mr. Joe, you heard it?
Ooh! You heard the CD in your car? The CD I put in your car. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Joe's proud of me. Ain't you proud of me, Joe? He's proud of me.
Sounds real good.
He didn't laugh at me.
Oh.
Oh, God.
Bow. Bam. Oh, ba, 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 ba.
Oh, God.
Oh, ba, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. Hey. Hey.
You can cut.
Cut it.
Are you proud of your mother?
Yes, very proud.
Are you proud of my accomplishments?
Huh.
Yes.
Well, what would you say to me for Mother's Day?
Oh, oh.
Say have a blessed Mother's Day.
Yes.
And you're a wonderful mom.
Fabulous.
Happy Mother's Day.
I'm loving that.
I love it.